Hello, children. How are you today? I hope you're doing good and at the same time you're keeping safe. Now, we shall be looking at our first topic for this week, which is creating an email account. Creating an email account. And this class is presented by Mr. Innocent A-Team ACM. Now, before we go into the class proper, we shall be looking at the topic outline. The topic outline simply means what the pupils are expected to achieve, are expected to learn at the end of the class. 1. Definition of the topic. 2. List all the steps to create an email. 3. Create a Gmail account. Objective of the lesson. At the end of this lesson, pupils should be able to 1. Define email. 2. List all the steps in creating an email. 3. Create a Gmail account. Definition proper. Definition of email. Now, I would like to start by saying that the full meaning of email simply means electronic mail. Electronic mail. Email is a message sent from one computer to another over the internet. The email is a message that has been typed and saved on your computer system, or it could be a message that has been typed and is immediately sent from one computer to another as email. Now, the email facilitates communication between the sender and the receiver. Just the same way you send a message using your phone to your friend or to your parent. Now, before you can make use of email, you must have to own one. Owning one simply means you have to create your own email before you could even send a message from your computer system to another computer system over the internet. It's just like you wanting to send messages without having a phone. The same thing is applicable here. You must have to create an email account before you could send a message over the internet. Typically, the message are not entered from keyboard or electronic file stores on the disk. Just like I told you, the same way you type using your keyboard. You type using your keyboard in creating messages. So you can also type and save. So when it is time for you to send that which you have saved as email, you can just select it and send it. Most mainframe computer and the mini computer and computer network have an email system. They have an email system. Even the microcomputer, they have an email system. The email system enable them to send email from the system. Some electronic mail systems are confined to a single computer system or network, but others have gateways to other computer systems. That simply means other computer systems can simply have access into another computer system by sending email. Companies that are fully computerized make extensive use of email because it is fast, flexible, and reliable. fast. It is very fast because it is sent through electronic means. It is flexible. It is easy to manipulate. You can send one body of a message to different people, and it is also reliable. Once it is sent, immediately immediately it will get to the email of the recipient. Is that clear? Step to create a Gmail account. 1. Boot the computer system. Of course, you know, before you make use of the computer system, you have to turn on the computer system. 2. Connect the computer system to an internet using your modem or phone. That is the second step that you have to do. You have to connect your computer to the internet. You either use a modem or you can use your hotspot on your phone, or you can also use a router. 3. Go to www.gigu.com. Now on the address bar, you have to type www.gigu.com. Now when you do that, a page will be displayed. Now say click on Gmail link on top of the page. The page that displayed, you will now see a Gmail. You click on Gmail. That is to say, you want to create. Remember this. Remember what the steps. Remember we are creating a mail using Gmail account. So that is why you have to click on the link on top of the page, the Gmail link on top of the page. Now you click on sign up for Gmail. Now on that same page, you will see two options: sign in and sign up. You are not to use the sign in, you are to use the sign up. You will use the sign in when you already have an existing email, but the sign up is to enable you to create a Gmail account. Create your user account. Now, when you click on sign up, a form will be displayed for you. Enter your information in the space below. You want to enter your information starting from your name, your surname, your age. So these are the form, your data. You enter your data on the form that is presented. Now, after you have entered all the necessary information required from them, then you now click on the submit button. Now, this is just an example. Creating your Gigu account. This is an example, and this is the form that I'm simply referring to. You can see the name, the first name and the last name. Now you are to create a password. Confirm your password. Confirm your password simply means what you have entered as your password is what you will still confirm. Is that same thing you will enter as your your password. Now you see date of birth, you enter it, gender, are you a male or a female, a phone number, you can use the phone number of your parent in creating it. Why not? If you have a phone, you can also put your phone. After you have successfully filled in all this information, you will now click this submit button. With that, your email will be created. A page will be displayed congratulating you for having successfully opened an email with a Gmail. Is that clear? Assignments. 1. These are your assignments. Briefly explain the internet. List all the steps in creating Gmail. Create an email account under the supervision of your parents. Thank you and remain blessed.